Ladies and gentlemen, please give a warm welcome to Vice Chairman, CEO, and Head of Device Experience Division of Samsung Electronics, J.H. Han.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to SDC. Like many of you, I began my career as an engineer. So I'm excited to be here to talk about technology and the future. At Samsung, our goal has always been to make our life easier through technology innovation. But let's face it, innovation can sometimes make life more complicated, maybe even a burden. So, our engineers looked for ways to make our customers' lives better and more convenient. Today, I want to talk with you about 3 topics that I believe will enrich the customer experience. The first is security privacy. With so many devices around us, data protection is more important than ever. Today, we'll introduce how Samsung's defense-grade security platform, Knox, is evolving to the next level to respond to the latest security challenges. Knox Matrix is the new frontier in security. It's designed to protect your multi-device ecosystem, including TVs, refrigerators, washing machines, even more. This new concept can be explained in 2 simple keywords: connectivity and security. A wide range of Samsung devices will add a new level of security at home, on the go, even at work. With security you can trust, Samsung continues to give people the freedom to control their information. The second technology is SmartThings. SmartThings is not just an IoT platform. It brings value beyond connectivity. It provides convenience by connecting more devices through an integrated and seamless experience. Now, that experience is getting even better. We are expanding our hub everywhere strategy and bringing more third-party devices through the IoT standard, Matter. This means new users, more than 500 million in the next 5 years, can experience and enjoy the convenience of SmartThings. The third area is Bixby. Since its launch, we have enhanced Bixby as the voice interface of Samsung devices. So you can control TVs, smartphones, refrigerators, robot vacuums, as well as SmartThings devices, simply with your voice. Now it's evolving into an intelligent interface that supports different input methods. Call it a smart Bixby that understands what you want. And today, you can see the latest Bixby Home Studio, a way to explore new ideas and opportunities. The goal of all this is to give you an easier, seamless, and frictionless experience, so you can focus more on what matters most. With the SmartThings, everything automatically connects and works together. You won't have to think about it. That's our job. It's the calm technology we hope to achieve. But we can't do it alone. We can only get there by working with you together. Enjoy the session, everyone.
Please welcome to the stage VP and Head of Smart Things, Jaeun Jung.
Hello. Wow, it's great to see everyone again. I'm so excited to talk about the future JH just shared. If you're like me, the past few years have been a time to prioritize what matters, to find moments to pause and refresh. One of the first places I go to do that is home. But as JH mentioned, we've all faced challenges making our homes as smart and simple as we want. From finding the right device and setting it up, to doing more with it, the smart home journey has been anything but simple. We believe smart things can make the journey easier by creating a simpler and more intuitive smart home experience, where devices just work without you becoming an engineer or a rocket scientist. To enhance the experience, we are adding more devices to the SmartThings platform. So, if it's a SmartThings device, you know it works with what you already have. SmartThings already includes Wi-Fi, Zigbee, and Z-Wave devices. And this year, we are integrating with Matter and adding Thread devices too. Thank you. Not only are we supporting more protocols, we are also working with more partners. If you're here in Moscone, you'll see our partners all around us. Check out their partner devices on the wall in our booth. These new devices and partnerships are exciting, but we also want to help people find the right light bulb, smart plug, or smart doorbell. Starting today, you can go straight to Samsung.com, where we've launched SmartThings, all to help you find the right device. And don't worry about getting a hub. At SDC21, we introduced Hub Everywhere, turning our smart TVs, smart monitors, and family hub refrigerators into control centers for your smart home. We've used the same model to enable Matter hub connectivity. So if you have a Matter-enabled device, you don't have to purchase additional hub products. What's more, those hub devices will process your in-home video and audio data securely and safely, all to provide more meaningful experiences. Purchasing a new product is the fun part, but for many of us, the setup is anything but fun. That's why we're taking steps to make the device setup a breeze. Once you have the new device, a pop-up will show you exactly how to get set up. Our vision is that onboarding a new device happens in the background. Galaxy Quick Pair makes it automatic without you having to sweat over every step. This is the idea behind calm technology. Innovation that adds convenience without being intrusive. We'll be rolling out this new device setup experience in Korea first and explore ways to bring it to all SmartThings connected devices soon. Beyond making it easier to find and set up a new smart home device, we believe these devices can do more to make the common things we do at home easier and more convenient. That's why we are adding services that help you get the most out of your smart devices. Take saving energy. Our SmartThings Energy service recommends steps you can take to conserve energy and save money. It proved especially helpful this past summer as it optimized how I used my air conditioner on those really hot days. There are other services too, like SmartThings Cooking, SmartThings Home Care, and SmartThings Find, where more than 200 million Samsung Galaxy devices lend a hand to make finding a misplaced device easier than ever. And like SmartThings-enabled devices, these enriching services aren't limited to Samsung. Take smart lighting. We work with partners like Philips Hue, Nanolift, and GE Lighting to set the right mood in any room in the house. Wake up easier with a perfect morning light, or match the light temperature to the mood of the movie you'd queued up. We are also combining the mood-setting power of lighting and music by embedding Philips Hue Sync into Samsung Galaxy phones. Simply play your favorite song from any music service, and with one click, SmartThings Music Sync will match your Philips Hue lights to the vibe of your music, creating a true sanctuary or a party right at home. In fact, we brought the party here. Try out the Music Sync experience in the exhibition area. We look forward to the future enabled by SmartThings, where devices connect you to what matters most. Now, I'm excited to hand things off to one of our trusted partners to talk more about cross-ecosystem collaboration. Thank you all, and enjoy the rest of SDC.
Please welcome to the stage Vice President Product Management Android Developer at Google, Matthew J. McCullough.
Good morning. Hello and good morning. The Matter standard laid the foundation for smart home connectivity, allowing users to have true interoperability amongst various ecosystems and applications. Google and Samsung are committed to Matter and its vision of smart home openness, interoperability, and choice. We want to help device makers build great innovative products and give users an easy way to set up, configure, and control these Matter devices. It's important that users of both Samsung SmartThings and Google Home have seamless and consistent smart home experiences. This is why Google and Samsung have worked together to ensure that users have consistent experiences setting up and using their Matter devices on Galaxy and other Android devices. And device makers are able to rely on and build with consistent APIs and tools on these platforms. And to take the Galaxy user experience to the next level, We've partnered with Samsung to make sure it's easy for users to find and link their devices across our platforms by building on Matter's multi-admin feature. When users set up a Matter device to SmartThings on Galaxy phones, they'll also have the choice to seamlessly set up the device on Google Home. And likewise, if users set up a Matter device with Google Home, they can easily share it with SmartThings too. Whether users want to control their smart home on Galaxy SmartThings app or with Google Home, their devices will be accessible. This feature is intuitively presented to users when using either app without manually needing to hit a share button. Support for this will be rolling out over the coming months. This ease of use across Samsung and Google is just the start, and we're looking forward to delivering an increasingly seamless, delightful home experience in the future. Thank you for having me here at SDC, Samsung.
Please welcome to the stage Head of SmartThings Incorporated, Mark Benson.
Thank you, Matthew. Hello, everyone. Like Jayon and Matthew said, our SmartThings experiences are only possible because of our partnerships. We're so excited by what we can accomplish together that we're expanding our support for Matter and the Home Connectivity Alliance. These initiatives are reshaping the entire smart home landscape. And now, the very idea of connected living includes almost any digital device across every touch point in our lives. Matter devices are compatible by design, perfect for the SmartThings open platform approach. Easy to buy, set up, and use. To accelerate Matter adoption, we created the SmartThings Matter Early Access Program, where we work with major device manufacturers to ensure that their Matter-enabled devices work seamlessly with SmartThings. There are 16 leading brands who are part of this program, showing their devices here today, including Eve and also Akara, which became part of the Works with SmartThings program earlier this year. It's all about delivering interoperability right out of the box. In fact, the three core parts of the SmartThings platform, the SmartThings app, the SmartThings Hub Core, and the SmartThings Cloud are ready to support Matter and will be rolled out to users starting this month. This support means that we can update many existing hubs for Thread and Matter while also maintaining existing protocols for Zigbee and Z-Wave devices. Of course, adding more devices shouldn't make the smart home experience difficult. That's where the enhanced SmartThings platform comes in. By using advanced AI and natural language processing, SmartThings will handle onboarding new devices, including those connected with Matter, without the hassle of time-consuming setups. And one of the best ways to do that is with our assistant, Bixby, who's gotten a few upgrades this year too. You'll hear more about this next. Thank you, everyone, and enjoy the show.
Please welcome to the stage Head of Bixby Lab of Samsung Research America, Anil Yadav.
Thank you, Mark. Welcome to California, everyone. I'm excited to be here to share more about Bixby. You just heard Jayon describe how SmartThings is the center of Samsung device ecosystem. Bixby is the voice platform for that ecosystem. Bixby and SmartThings work together seamlessly to bring voice experiences to all SmartThings connected devices. In the spirit of our big plans, to further empower developers, we have deepened Bixby integration with SmartThing and built a tool that brings the power to create intelligent voice experiences to device developers. I'm proud to introduce Bixby Home Studio. Bixby Home Studio is a powerful tool developers can use to build differentiated, customized, best-in-class voice experience. With Bixby Home Studio, you can create experience that span multiple devices and respond more intuitively to user commands. Say, for example, you ask Bixby to turn on your air conditioner. Bixby can check if you have any window open and let you know to close them, saving energy. Deeper SmartThing integration has allowed us to imagine a world where right from your desk, kitchen, and couch, your voice command is automatically and intelligently routed to any Bixby-enabled device. With this new feature, you can say, "Hi Bixby, show me latest action movies." And your Samsung TV knows how to handle the request. It's all part of our vision for smarter technology that runs smoothly in the background to make your life better. We have also improved Bixby performance and security on your mobile devices with on-device AI. Now, Bixby understands and executes commands right on your phone, safer and faster than before. Bixby also understands commands without requiring wake words. For example, if you are getting a call on your phone, you just say, "Accept the call." And on-device Bixby knows what to do. Currently, on-device Bixby is supported on mobile devices, but we are working very hard to bring it to more devices. All these updates ultimately means that Bixby platform is more powerful than ever. In addition, soon, Bixby will also support Latin American Spanish by end of this year. Whether you are using Bixby as a consumer or a developer, this is the best time to join Samsung ecosystem. Thank you, and looking forward to working with you all.
Please welcome to the stage Principal Engineer of Security Team, Xin Beck.
Thank you, Anil. And hello, everyone. The innovation you just heard about is fantastic, but we believe it must be backed by trust. Today, security and privacy are more critical than ever because connected devices are an even bigger part of our lives. They are our bank and ID, control our lighting, and open our doors. Yet, with enhanced innovation comes the need for enhanced security. That's why security and privacy are the top priorities at Samsung. Our privacy principles are unwavering: transparency, choice, and protection. Protection is also the foundation of everything we do in security. We believe protection must be collaborative, end-to-end, and in real time, so that our approach is constantly evolving to stay ahead of threats and keep users safe. Take your favorite Samsung device, like your smartphone, TV, or even your refrigerator. All are protected by our Samsung Knox security platform, which is certified for use by the top government agencies around the world. Our Knox SDK fosters collaboration and allows others to develop safe device experiences. And because we believe you can never have too much security, we created Knox Vault, isolating crucial information from the rest of the device, so it never falls into the wrong hands. But what about other devices? Well, today's connected world needs a connected security approach too. After all, just one device is compromised, all others are at risk. Multi-device protection is the next battlefront for security and privacy. So today, we're raising the bar with a new platform that allows multiple devices to protect each other. We're calling it Knox Matrix. Knox Matrix is your own private blockchain. Multiple devices share credentials, turning the ecosystem of devices into a shield that protects everyone. The Knox Matrix, you'll never sacrifice security for connectivity. In fact, it's the connected power of Samsung's ecosystem that leads to fewer vulnerabilities and stronger, more diverse security practices. So now, a smartphone streaming to a TV or connected to an air conditioner makes real life more convenient and your digital life more secure. Whether you're developing experiences across SmartThings ecosystem or creating apps in Secure OS, Knox Matrix has your back. While we secure your devices, Samsung is also working to ensure a safe experience. Part of that is to make sure users are informed and in control of their privacy and personal data. The new security and privacy dashboard puts you in the driver's seat of your data. The dashboard scans for vulnerabilities, recommends security updates, gives options to manage your data. It is the place to customize permission settings across every app and experience on your mobile device. And we believe that you, and only you, should be making decisions about how your information is managed and stored. To our developers, we can't do this without you. Our belief in open collaboration extends to security and privacy. Rather than isolating ourselves, we work with others to help detect potential issues and respond faster. No company can or should manage today's cybersecurity landscape alone. We welcome input from the research community to identify potential vulnerabilities. Actually, we encourage it as part of our bug bounty program. With every new exciting experience and technology, wherever life takes you, Samsung will keep you safe. Up next, you'll hear more about the experiences we're offering with Samsung services. Thank you.
Please welcome to the stage SVP and Head of Product and Marketing, Sang Kim.
안녕하세요. Hello, everyone. It's great to be in this auditorium for the first time since 2019. Welcome back, and thank you for joining us today. Since our virtual SDC last October, we have seen groundbreaking growth and innovation in our Samsung apps and services, which span over 2 billion devices worldwide. In partnership with developers and content creators like you, we continue to scale our top-performing services on TVs and smartphones, as well as launch new ones, all to meet the evolving needs of our consumers. Today, I want to highlight two of our services that made headlines this summer: Samsung TV Plus and Samsung Gaming Hub. we're doubling down on our investment in streaming entertainment, which includes Samsung TV Plus, the #1 free ad-supported streaming TV service on Samsung Smart TVs. Relaunched this summer, Samsung TV Plus now reaches 24 countries and 465 million devices globally across TV and mobile. With an expansive slate of premium content and a seamless cross-device experience, it connects audiences with the entertainment they love. Since SDC 2021, Samsung TV Plus has seen 100% growth in consumer viewing, and this year, we project nearly 3 billion hours streamed by highly engaged consumers across the globe. This is the new Samsung TV Plus.
Let the fun begin.
While viewership numbers confirm that consumers love Samsung TV Plus, it's also a preferred platform for our advertisers and partners for 3 distinct reasons. Number 1, we have a highly engaged audience on a global scale. The power and reach of our platform continues to attract major studios and networks. They're choosing Samsung TV Plus as a destination for distributing exclusive premieres, premium content, and comprehensive news coverage. With Samsung TV Plus, partners can now create a channel and reach a massive audience in a shorter time frame. And the global reach is instant. Number 2, Samsung's own distribution platform can manage integration and monetize for partners. The Samsung TV Plus platform delivers a full suite of services that include content programming, server-side ad insertion, ad routing, CDN hosting, playout, and analytics. This is a game changer for our channel partners who are looking to employ end-to-end distribution solutions, including high-resolution and localized content. Our platform is equipped to support 8K video on demand, as well as local news across all 210 DMAs. Additionally, our platform can manage all aspects of monetization, from ad sales to ad insertion, providing a turnkey solution for any partner without internal ad sales capabilities. This is a very flexible and powerful platform. Number 3, Samsung is setting the standard when it comes to delivering a high-quality advertising environment. For consumers, Samsung TV Plus provides a superior viewing experience without any interruption or buffering between content and ads. The winning combination of premium content and a seamless viewing experience means more people spending more time watching Samsung TV Plus. For advertisers, this translates into reaching high-value audiences at scale in a premium environment. Today, Fortune 500 companies from around the world are leveraging Samsung TV Plus and our advanced TV advertising solutions to reach valuable consumers. Now, let's talk about gaming. In June, we launched the Samsung Gaming Hub, an all-in-one gaming streaming platform that provides high-performance gameplay, no consoles required. Samsung partnered with industry-leading content creators, including Xbox, to provide players with instant access to all the games they love right on their Samsung Smart TVs. What's more, there's no barrier to entry. Bring your own controller and just play. Here's a look at the Samsung Gaming Hub. We're excited that gamers are embracing our new Samsung Gaming Hub, and this is just the beginning. We're also changing how you game on mobile devices with Instant Plays. It's our collection of free mobile games without download. We now enable in-app purchases to our HTML5 partners, unlocking monetization opportunities. It's an exciting time for cloud gaming on TVs and smartphones, and the potential ahead is limitless. We're listening to consumers and developers like you as we continue to build our gaming business. Now, you'll hear a bit more about Samsung Gaming Hub and how we're transforming the TV viewing experience with Tizen. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy SDC 2022.
Please welcome to the stage EVP, Deputy Head of R&D Team of Visual Display Business, Youngjae Kim.
Hello, SDC. It's great to be here to share everything we are doing to enhance the TV experience with Tizen. As you just saw, TVs are constantly evolving, more than just a display. TVs are everything from smart home hub to workout partners. At Samsung, we are always innovating to stay ahead, so you can do more on the biggest screen in your home. We've made a big leap in one area I'm particularly excited about: gaming. Today, more than 66% of Americans are gamers, and that's just in US. We know they want an experience that is both fast and immersive. So we saw an opportunity to create the best gaming experience, lightning fast responsiveness with total immersion right on your Samsung TV. The culmination of our effort is Samsung Gaming Hub. It represents the evolution of TV, where passions like gaming meet the best in-class technology to maximize the entire experience. To meet the expectations of the most demanding gamers out there, we focused on three key things when we built the Samsung Gaming Hub: convenience, performance, and image quality. Let's start with convenience. We are collaborating with major cloud gaming partners like Xbox and NVIDIA to Utomic to put your favorite game services on a single platform. For added convenience, Samsung Gaming Hub also supports most controllers on the market today, which means you can use your existing game controller for gameplay as well as TV settings. Next, let's talk performance. The Samsung Gaming Hub applies Samsung's proprietary Sync Play technology to lower end-to-end latency to less than 100 milliseconds. The power and performance of a modern console all on your Samsung TV. The third area we focus on is image quality. After all, if the screen is too dark, you can't see your opponent lurking in the shadows. That's why we apply the Samsung Quantum Matrix technology, our dynamic black equalizer, and AI upscaling technologies, so you can see everything more clearly around, whether it's a friend or the enemy. There is more we are doing to evolve TVs, giving people new ways to enjoy that brilliant screen in their home. Imagine buying and enjoying an amazing piece of art or an NFT, all on the big screen with amazing clarity. Starting this year, Samsung is expanding our work with partners like NIFT Gateway, Lock Collection, Art Token, and Clip Drops. So now anybody can own and savor a breathtaking masterpiece, like from the Lock Collection of the Museum of Fine Arts, Boston, displayed right in the living room. We are also including a Samsung blockchain wallet that can be used on Samsung TVs, and APIs that can be linked with the wallet to allow NFT partners and developers to easily add a payment function. These new services are designed to keep up with everyone's changing tastes and expectations of what a TV should be. For my family, finding the right show to watch can turn family TV nights into family fight night. Just deciding on a show can be difficult. To help, we launched our newly designed Smart Hub to help discover new show or movie that's perfect for entire family. Smart Hubs enhance the search and navigation functions, recommend content based on past favorite. And by collaborating with partners like Disney, Prime Video, Paramount, and more, Smart Hub is the secret to family TV night. So we can argue about what to order for takeout, not what to watch. At the heart of all of this innovation is Tizen. Since its launch 10 years ago, Tizen now powers more than 330 million TVs, refrigerators, and other smart devices. And since we are at the developer conference, I have to shout out how Tizen was created by open source community and Linux Foundation. It has evolved with the dedication and contribution of this community from all around the world. At last year's SDC, we announced that we applied Tizen to B2B screens like electric board and kiosks. This year, we heard from our B2B partners that the Tizen Enterprise platform would be helpful for even more applications, so we are expanding it the area like signage and hotel TVs. This is a cloud-based platform that allows partners to set up multiple displays through the Tizen Business Manager portal. With the new zero-touch configuration, remote install is simple. And by strengthening the security of the B2B APIs with Knox technology, we are offering APIs that are more reliable than ever. We are not only enriching Tizen, we also expanding its reach. In partnership with systems owner-chip vendors, TV hardware manufacturers, and more, we have developed a reference TV to speed up the time to market for Tizen-enabled devices. This work helped our partners launch Tizen TV in Australia for the first time. We will be bringing Tizen to many more countries soon. I'd love for you to follow along in our journey to bring Tizen everywhere, from our partners Tizen TV to various types of B2B screens all over the world. With Tizen at the center of Samsung TV experience, we are always thinking about how to provide users with the best picture quality. Samsung offers royalty-free HDR10+, a dynamic tone mapping technology that can maximize HDR effect while still delivering the original author's style. Currently, 142 companies are registered as HDR10+ members, and we have launched more than 6,000 certified devices. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank our partners for helping bring this to life with us. Yet, we believe there is even more that HDR10+ can do. Today, many movies and TV shows have been produced in an SDR format. So even with HDR10+ technology, you might still be watching in SDR. In response, we developed SALT, a content format conversion solution that can convert SDR formatted content into HDR10+. We are distributing it to member companies for free. We are so excited about the opportunity HDR 10 Plus can bring to your shows and movie on our TV. At Samsung, we will continue to create Tizen experience that transform and go beyond what many thought possible. I can't wait to work with many of you on these experiences soon. Thank you, and have a great rest of the show.
Please welcome to the stage VP and Head of Framework R&D Group Mobile Experience Business, Sally Haesoon Jung.
Hello, SDC. Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us. It's so exciting to be here again. On this stage, 3 years ago, I shared our vision for One UI, the essence of the Galaxy experience. It's built upon the foundation of openness to empower our users through collaborative innovation and open possibilities. One UI truly captured the Your Galaxy, Your Way philosophy by bringing you an intuitive, connected experience that is uniquely yours. We couldn't have accomplished this without the help of developers and our partners. And today, I am excited to share how our vision continues to grow and be brought to life. Introducing One UI 5.
They can really try and stop me, but I do what I want every day of the week. You can bet I will do anything that I want, and I'll go anywhere that I like. And if you got a problem, then move it along. You understand it in my life. You want it, I got it. My lifestyle's so magnetic. You want it, I got it. You better know that I'm on it. I got it. My lifestyle's so magnetic. You want it, I got it. You better not stop me.
Thank you. One UI empowers users to easily customize how their devices look and feel while enhancing productivity and providing amazing experiences across devices and platforms. And this latest iteration breathes new life into that concept. Based on your feedback, we know you want experiences that can be customized to meet your needs. Instead of a one-size-fits-all approach, we have a one-stop shop for personalization. It all starts with your home and lock screens. Most people display their favorite photos and videos on their screens. And now, we are offering tools to help you take that to the next level. If you want a lock screen of your loved ones or your ever-changing style, you can shuffle up to 15 curated photos and videos. I love seeing my dog, Salgo and Cookie, every time I take out my phone. They're so cute, right? There's just something special about seeing your favorite memories in motion. If you want your phone to do the work for you, dynamic lock screen will shuffle through curated visuals
every 2 weeks from categories you choose. Galaxy Watch users can customize their watch faces too. We check out watches multiple times a day, so it's important that they look and work the way we want. With Watch Face Studio, designers can easily create new watch face designs, providing users with even more options. The overall UI is simple and clean. It empowers us to personalize not only how our devices look, but also how we use our devices. One UI was created with the vision of bringing you a more personalized experiences, like custom-built routines, which conveniently trigger a sequence of actions across devices to help streamline your tasks. And after analyzing users' daily patterns, we are making automation of routines easier with modes. Modes will let you jump straight into the cutting-edge convenience by answering a series of simple questions. I set a relaxed mode to help me unwind after work. It automatically mutes work notifications and calls, so I don't get interrupted while gaming. Actually, I'm a huge gamer, but I built in one exception using routines. My phone will read any messages from my boss, TM, out loud. Oh, TM is right there. Hi, TM. Modes are great for working out, too. My friend Tae uses exercise mode every day. She set it up to turn on Do Not Disturb and her workout playlist. To customize further, she tapped into the power of routines to activate Bixby Voice and send automated responses to anyone who reaches out while she is exercising. This seamless automation adds convenience to her life. Modes are innovation in action. We plan to launch and extend modes across your Galaxy devices in the near future to bring you a more streamlined experience. You can focus on the important things, like your health. One UI daily health solution helps you easily track your health and wellness in one efficient ecosystem. The Samsung Privilege Health SDK allows developers to build apps that leverage our innovative bioactive sensors in Galaxy Watches. It's part of our commitment to openness and partnership that deliver great experiences. With this in mind, we teamed up with Google this spring on a new service called Health Connect. It brings Android app developers a single set of API, allowing them to create richer health experiences. Users benefit from centralized privacy control and an easy way to sync their data between their favorite health and fitness apps. When it comes to health and personal data, you deserve a peace of mind that comes with knowing your information is secured. We combine security and privacy into a single dashboard so you can see warnings for detected issues and potential solutions all on one intuitive screen. Because security and privacy are foundational to the Galaxy experience and should be easy to access and control. For extra confidence and protection, One UI5 will recommend private share when our AI detects that you are about to share sensitive information. One UI has always been about making your technology your own. For years, Samsung Good Luck has let you experiment with new ways to customize your experience, from the most viewed, used, and used lock screens and keyboard to how to use gesture to interact with your device. Good Luck is a unique part of Galaxy experience which has pushed the boundaries of creativity and personalization. And every year, we bring the greatest Good Luck features to One UI. Stay tuned, as we plan to have more exciting updates for Good Luck soon. Today, I've discussed the many ways you can customize your Galaxy experience from design to functionality. But One UI also boosts your productivity. An essential part of living a more productive life is open and accessible communication. Have you ever received an important call but weren't somewhere you could answer? Maybe. With Bixby Text Call, Bixby will answer call on your behalf and share messages that you type with the caller, speaking aloud as if you'd answered. Then Bixby will share what the caller is saying to you in text format, allowing you to continue responding via text without having to speak out loud. It will help you to stay on the task and stay in the moment. Bixby Text Call is currently available in Korean, and we plan to expand to English and other languages in the future. While productivity means different things to each of us, we all want an incredibly connected experience across devices. Creating our open ecosystem has helped fuel a long-term partnership with Microsoft and given life to a connected experience between Galaxy smartphones and Windows PC. And phone-to-PC setup is easier and faster with One UI 5 straight out of the box. Now, when you set up a new PC, you will be able to use a QR code to connect your phone and PC almost instantly, automatically adding your mobile hotspot to your PC's Wi-Fi. We even improve continuity across programs and apps. If you are editing a PowerPoint on your phone and then switch to your PC, you'll be able to continue what you're doing on the desktop app. This continuity will be available starting with the Microsoft and Samsung apps, and we plan to expand to other apps soon. Samsung is pioneer when it comes to multitasking. We introduced multi-windows nearly a decade ago with the Note 2, making it easy to work, play, or do both at once. When we introduced Taskbar with the Galaxy Z Fold 4, we opened up the range of new possibilities for multitasking. It transforms how you interact with the larger screen by allowing you to easily create multi-windows and use up to 3 apps at the same time. Through our continued partnership with Google, the taskbar will be available on the Tab S8 series and previous Fold devices with Android 12L update. We see the taskbar as a new facet of multitasking, and we look forward to people benefiting from this capability. One UI started as a smartphone interface, and now it's so much more, pioneering new territory and new form factors. Like our foldables, which make the most of unique design with innovative experiences with flex mode, and FlexCam, which gives you the opportunity to flex every angle and use the camera in a new way, and hands-free. Flex mode is a clear example of how One UI continues to evolve, not only on new devices, but on an entirely new category of devices. I am amazed by how much One UI has grown over the years, constantly bringing you meaningful innovation for your everyday, so you can use your technology your way. Our incredible teams are working hard to bring One UI 5 to our devices, starting with the Galaxy S22 series at the end of the month. I can't wait to see what we imagine next, and where One UI 5 goes from here with your help. Because developers like you are an essential part of the future of One UI. Thank you.
Please welcome to the stage President and Head of Samsung Research, Sebastian Sung.
Hello, SDC. I'm so happy. I'm so happy to be here with all of you. As head of Samsung Research, I'd like to invite you. I'd like to invite you to look over the horizon to a future dreamed of, but not yet realized. One that requires both relentless innovation and open collaboration. We've always existed in the physical world, a vibrant place full of colors, sounds, and smells. Today, we live in the digital world too, a place of swipe rights, apps, and avatars that has transformed industries and society. At Samsung Research, we're focused on bringing these two worlds together to create digital technologies that enhance our physical experiences. Put another way, we use bits to move atoms. This concept is our North Star. And when done right, this approach can make a huge impact, improving everything from how we manage our daily lives to how we prioritize health and well-being. So we constantly ask ourselves, how can we innovate to meld the digital with the physical? First off, we know we can't do it alone. That's why Samsung Research is partnering with academics, researchers, and developers to push the limits of what's possible. Armed with prototypes and open source code, developers are exploring the intersection of the digital and physical worlds. And what better place to blend the two than in the comfort of your own home? Recently, home innovation has been breathtaking. Technologies like AI, object recognition, and 3D sensors have turned an ordinary vacuum into a self-guided time saver, an autonomous dust bunny killer. Personally, I can't imagine my home without the JetBot AI Plus. Some think we've reached the limit of home innovation. At Samsung Research, we see progress accelerating, a new age of convenience with revolutionary home appliances powered by AI and robotics. Last year at CES, I introduced Bot Handy, an AI-powered robot designed to help with household chores. As a prototype, Bot Handy is still a work in progress. After all, dexterous manipulation might seem common to us, but for a robot, it's still challenging. To perfect it, we need better AI. And we also need you, developers and partners, coming together to make robots truly transformational. And today, I am excited to share that we are making our robot arm manipulation code publicly available. We hope that you'll build on it to implement cool new ideas in robotic manipulation. More details will be available on our, of course, GitHub page. And I hope some of you might even get to work with the real Bot Handy hardware in the near future. Building an open ecosystem extends to other areas of innovation too. Take health and wellness. Today's smartphones, smartwatches, and wearables have made a big difference in helping people reach their health and wellness goals. I love how my Galaxy Watch 5 tracks my heart rate, recommends the optimal recovery time, and records my sleep patterns. These features are possible because of great technology, sensors and displays, and great partners, like leading academic researchers who help validate the data from these devices. We believe that even more can be done to harness the power of wearables in areas like health and wellness, so that we might live healthier and happier lives. And just as with robots, rapid progress requires partners, researchers, institutions, universities working together to complete the picture. We've already partnered with universities and healthcare institutions to conduct research in important consumer health and wellness areas like heart health, stress, blood pressure, lung health, and neuroscience. I'm excited about research we're doing with UCSF, using smart device sensors to measure stress signals, such as blood pressure readings, which will give people a better understanding of stress indicators to better manage their well-being. Inspired by these achievements, we asked, what could we do to accelerate research even more? Our answer, the Samsung Health Stack. This is a full stack SDK, a mobile app for patients, a portal for researchers, and a back-end database. A complete package of open source tools designed for the easy creation of digital systems for the research of health and wellness. Leading hospitals and startups in Korea are already using this SDK to jumpstart their research into important fields like dementia and cancer. Our open health stack represents a renewed commitment to partners and the open source community to spur new R&D. We hope it will inspire people like you, to uncover new health insights, ultimately helping companies find more effective treatments for disease. Bringing together the physical and digital worlds is essential. More than just virtual experiences, using bits to move atoms can make a difference in how we live and how we feel. And while we're excited about what's possible, the work can't be done alone. Only through collaboration, creative partnerships, and a foundation of open innovation can we achieve great progress. I hope that you will join us in this effort. Please check out the sessions here at SDC to get started. Thank you.
Please welcome back to the stage J.H. Han.
Did you enjoy the session? So what you saw today, innovations in security and privacy, smart things and Bixby, will make our life easier, seamless and frictionless. This is our vision for calm technology. So in addition, enhancements to Tizen TV and the new One UI 5 will raise the standard of experience for millions. But before I close, I would like to talk about the future one more time. The future of the something very dear to my heart, our planet. I believe we have a responsibility to help create a sustainable future. We do that through everyday sustainability of belief that every stage of the product life cycle can be more sustainable, from sourcing to recycling and disposal. We also made a new commitment to address climate challenges. By 2027, we run all DX operations on renewable energy. By 2030, the DX division will achieve net zero carbon emissions, and we'll keep investing billions in sustainable innovation. Our new environmental strategy means more low power technologies, more recycled materials like ocean-bound plastics, and resources that circulate more quickly. Thank you so much for being part of SDC. Continuous innovation and growth can only happen together. So, we invite you, developers and partners, to join us in creating a sustainable future. Please stay and enjoy the rest of the sessions to see what we can achieve together. Thank you, and have a great SDC.